Learn how to view your progress and print a certificate of CPE hours in this brief tutorial. From the main dashboard, click on Courses in the left-hand course navigation. Select any course. Then click on My Progress, which is on the left side of the screen. In the top level navigation bar, you can see the different content areas. Clicking on one will update the page to display a list of associated courses. A course listing includes the course name, total available modules, number of completed modules, and overall percentage completed. The badge icon will change to color from gray once you've mastered all modules within a course. You can click on the course name to view the names and completion status of each module. If you click on a module, you'll see information for the individual units within that module. To access your certificates, click on the View My Badges link on the top right hand of the page. Here you can see all of the badges that you've earned so far. Clicking on the View Certificate button will open up the certificate in a new tab and allow you to save it as a PDF or print it.